Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to start mop cleaning on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. To do it, tap on Station in the app, then select Clean the Mop, and then it'll start using the water, heating it up and using it to wash the robot's mops. It may take quite some time. Later on, it'll dry. You can also click on dry manually. Yeah, that is basically it. Also, in most cases, after the cleanup, it will automatically clean the mop, but sometimes it depends on your settings. There's also a video about changing the auto mop cleaning frequency. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.